Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to replace wireless keyboard batteries. This will be a very simple tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is an example of a wireless keyboard. It is a keyboard that connects to a computer like a PC or a laptop, but it doesn't have any wires attached to it. Now there are many different variations of wireless keyboards that you can find. However, the batteries are oftentimes located in the same location roughly. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the keyboard, we're going to flip it over because you'll rarely find the batteries on the front of it because this is oftentimes used for the things like the keys and the multimedia controls and things like that. We're going to flip it over, we're going to look at the underside of it. Now on the underside over here you can see that there's a compartment, and the compartment is labeled with these battery orientation symbols, and it also can be removed just like this. So there's a little lever, and if you pull this lever you can lift up the compartment like that, okay? And as you can see right here, we have some batteries in there, and to replace those batteries is actually really easy to do. You just want to pull them out just like that, okay? And then you're going to go ahead and you're going to put new batteries in there. So these batteries are still fine, so I'm just going to reuse these ones, but you're going to put your new set of batteries in there. Make sure you put them in the right orientation. Once again, it should show you what it's supposed to look like on there, but you'll probably know because of the springs anyways. So put your new batteries in place just like that, okay? And place the cover back on just like that. Make sure it's on nice and tightly. Make sure it's nice and secure. It's not going to go anywhere. And that's it. That is how to replace the batteries on a wireless keyboard. An easy tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.